Maui rainforest, made up primarily of coal, paper bark mulberry, sandalwood. That's kiawe, better known as mesquite, all kinds of ferns, palms, ginger, and orchids. Light-colored tree, kukui nut. And a very sacred tree out here called ohia. Normally, you want to know why we call them ohia? Because ohia, not over there. True story. And it really is ohia tree. Never pick ohia blossom unless you first make offerings to the gods. Keep in mind you do not have to throw your firstborn in the crater. You're in luck. Human sacrifice is unacceptable. We tried it, no one seemed to like it. And no, we did not eat Captain Cook. Captain Cook was buried at sea. Got a little bitty pieces, true, but still buried at sea. You really want to make a good offering to the gods? Well, all you need is a bottle of gin. A brand new unopened bottle of gin, Jason. Don't open and put water, the gods will know, okay? You take that bottle of gin, you very gently wrap it in tea leaf. Use the green tea leaf, not the red, that's important. You get that done, you very gently and reverently leave it at my front door. Ooh, works in it. Don't use beer, it upsets it upsets the god's stomach. Anybody ever hear the 7 sacred rules? You're gonna burst a bubble, there's no such thing. Bummer. The name of the place you refer to is Ohia Gulch. You might notice it got a little bumpy. That's because it's a county road. But the name 7 Sacred Pools got its start way back in 1946. It started with a woman named Josephine Medina. Ooh, Josephine used to love to talk stories. People used to love to listen to her. She was quite entertaining. There's Ohia Gulch below us. Josephine used to say, you know, that's how she talked. You know, she say, if you swim in 7 of the Ohia Stream pools, one right after the other, when you get to number 7, if you have faith, you will go to heaven. Wowzers, people would say, now that's fantastic. But Josephine, they say there's over 100 pools in that stream. Which 7 do we swim in? Which 7 to go to heaven? And Josephine's answer, just like life, you must choose your own. And just like life, you best choose wisely. Josephine was kind of weird. I like Josephine though, nice lady. Here comes a little place called Waimalo. Enjoy.
You can wait.
right side over there. That open area out there by the ocean, a little place called Maui. 200 years before King Kamehameha united all the islands of Hawaii under one rule. King Pi'ilani, Maui's greatest king, united all of Maui under one rule. The battle took place over there at Maui. Out ahead of us, a little place called Hana. There's not much out here in Hana. There's no shop, stores, boutiques, or downtown. Matter of fact, you're kind of uncivilized, don't even have a mall. Life without Nordstrom.
We love these islands and all that they share. Warmth, love, happiness, and time to care. Untold tales of times long past, of kings and queens of this and that. Trust in us and you'll know no cares. Throw back your arms and take to the air.
Hana. Hey, you know what we do have out here? Besides you guys, we got some celebrities. Yeah, Chris Christopherson lives out here. Barbara Streisand's got property. Kel Burnett and Tom Selleck still got property. Keanu Reeves come to visit us a lot. Halle Berry. Ooh, I like Halle Berry. Sat right up front here where Jason's sitting. Recently, Jason. There's Hana on the right. Real recently, Jason. Yeah, where you been all day? Yeah. Jason's grinning. Don't be grinning, Jason. I took out the seat cushions. Right, the ones Jason sitting in, the ones that Steve Perry and Van Cliburn sat in. Who? Oh. Then there's Lindsay Wagner, Goldie Hawn, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Julio Iglesias, the entire Bridges cast. A little short guy named Leonardo. Bunch of Backstreet dudes. And you guys. Want a list? We're going to go this way. Trust in us and you'll know no cares. Throw back your arms and take to the air. Now, don't let anybody fool you. The rainforest out here is not disappearing like people try to tell you. The rainforest is actually bigger, better, and healthier than it has been in almost 200 years since they cut down the sandalwood. We love these islands. Gotten that way because of an old Hawaiian saying, if you don't walk on it, it's going to grow. So there's no roads, trails, campsites, cabins, or houses up here. Civilization is around the outside, with a few exceptions, I should say. That way in each and every one of our islands, with a few exceptions. And by the way, there's more than 8 islands in the chain. There are 132 islands in the Hawaiian chain, extending 1,300 miles from one end to the other. So you see, we are making clean, fresh air for the rest of the world. And it's just one portion of one small island you see ahead of us now. Anybody thought about going to Hana? You haven't done it, huh? You hear them? Oh, you did it? Did you have fun? Huh? Christopher's back there saying, I don't think I want to.